The phone never stops ringing, wondering when we're going to be done, whether we're on schedule. You want to please your customer, first of all, so you want to get in, get out, and get done when they want you to. Verasys is pretty easy to install, so I think just about anybody can do it. It's a building control system that can be integrated with single rooftop controls or multi-zone systems. The rooftops arrived a few months back. There's nothing to set up when you're installing them. You just put them on the roof. They come factory installed with this smart equipment.
You don't have to run conduit and all stuff like that. It's very easy to get from point A to point B. But you just basically have to get a communication link, a wire, usually a 3/4 conductor, from one rooftop to the next, to the next, to the next. But it's very easy to pull the wire, easy terminations. There are actually better terminations on these than most I've seen.
He mounted the Verasys control, some transformer line voltage wiring done by the electrician, and then just tying back all the wire he pulled from the units into that system. The Smart Building Hub will discover the other devices on the system. From a control standpoint, risk is pretty minimal. You can get it in, get it out, and be done.
We have quite a bit of support. We do all of the pre-bid work, right? We'll get insights from the contractor in terms of what type of building they're trying to serve, what's the equipment they're trying to serve. We create the bill of material, do the riser diagrams, do the drawings.
At the end, you just pull out your phone or tablet, anything connected to an internet device, go to their website.
Some people aren't comfortable with controls, computers, stuff like that. Well, I'm not a computer guy myself. I'm pretty much computer illiterate, but I can get on there. Once you get on there, it goes step by step. And if you have any questions, there's people you can contact.
Fault detection, fault diagnostics is an offering we have on our equipment. So what we do is we put temperature and pressure sensors on each circuit of the refrigeration and we monitor that. So we literally give back 17 different faults or different attributes, right? The ability to have that insight is huge.
It's exciting for business owners of the mid-range project size. He can maximize his building, he can get the most efficiency out of his units, and he can monitor it when he's not around.
Just installing thermostats isn't enough anymore. So this is a huge opportunity for people to take that step with us and get into this market and serve customers.